If you've been using an iPhone for the past several of years, you all know cameras have gotten better and better.
Well, duh.
But that pretty much goes for all the smartphones on the market nowadays, and with that said, so has the potential to even make them better with various camera lenses. And one brand that has really stood out with incorporating these accessories for your smartphone has been a brand by the name of SANDMARC. So if you're looking for high quality and functional lenses, as well as a solid case, then stick around for my review of their Pro Leather Case and Telephoto Lens. What's up everyone, and welcome back to Tech Up. If you're using your iPhone for photography or filmmaking because you like the iPhone's capabilities to record or take awesome photos, then you gotta check out this SANDMARC lens and case combo. I'll go over their Leather Pro case first, and afterwards I'll cover the telephoto lens that I've been testing out on a trip I went on recently to really show you what it has to offer. And in the end, I'll go over the pros and cons for both of these iPhone accessories. So, starting off with SANDMARC's Leather Pro case, this case is available for various iPhone models, and it's a premium full-grain leather case that comes in two color options. I decided to go with their brown leather one for my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I gotta say the quality is superb when compared to several other leather cases. And obviously there's a lot of varieties out there, but if you want to see some other ones that I've tried out, you can check them out in the top right. Anyways, this specific case reminds me of the Apple leather and Lonely leather cases that I've used in the past. It really has a good amount of similarities to those, but in my opinion, a more grainy leather feel to it. It also does take a little effort to put the case on, but when taking it off, it's a breeze. I had no hassle with it whatsoever, and it's a lot easier to take off when compared to others. As for the rest of the case, it has a soft microfiber type of material on the inside of it, and it features metal buttons that have a soft click to them, while the ring and silent slider cutout is quite small but still accessible. As for the cutouts at the bottom, for the port and speakers, they're precisely cut out. Furthermore, the case packs MagSafe, and the magnetic ring on it offers decent magnetic strength that will get the job done with holding various MagSafe accessories, but it isn't the strongest that I've tried. Personally, it's as good as the Apple leather case, but when using MagSafe accessories with stronger magnets, it will help with keeping them on better from testing this case out. Now, last but not least, before I start covering the telephoto lens, the grip on this case is definitely nicer than several other leather cases I tested in the past. Like I stated earlier, it offers a more grainy leather feel to it, but I'm certain that it will likely wear out over time and you'll get that used look like you would with any true leather case. Moreover, the protection is pretty good with a standard raised lip on the front of the case and a really nice aluminum camera protector on the back that will definitely provide that much needed protection. However, as you can see, the design of it is quite different to other cases, since it's designed to make it possible for the lenses to be attached to the camera and the case. This special rear camera protector offers threading for screwing on lenses to it, one for the telephoto camera and one for the wide main camera on the iPhone. And when using it, I highly recommend screwing it on nice and slow so you don't unevenly screw it in. If you do, it will easily fall off and you'll probably regret it. Anyways, this specific lens that I got from SANDMARC isn't the only one to get, as they offer a variety of other ones if you got a different eye or preference with another lens for taking pictures and videos on your iPhone. But the telephoto lens was something that I really wanted to pick up and get, considering I was looking to take distant shots with better detail on my iPhone's camera. And from my experience when using this lens, there are pros and cons to it, which I'll get into in just a sec. However, with it, you'll get other accessories such as a pouch for the lens and a carabiner, along with a clip-on mount if you plan on using the lens without their case. Now, when testing out the telephoto lens on my iPhone 14 Pro Max, it wasn't a perfect plug-and-play accessory that you can use with the native iPhone camera app, since you'll encounter blackouts and these sort of issues with the telephoto and wide camera automatically switching between them when zooming. So, for it to work without this happening as much, it's best to use it with paid third-party camera apps like filmmaking Pro if you're planning on recording videos, or the Pro Camera app if you would be taking pictures, as these apps work the best with the telephoto lens. And from my personal experience, they are worth it for these accessories. I decided to pay for them out of my pocket, and they are definitely what you would need for this setup. However, they aren't going to work perfectly every time, since you'll still have to adjust the lens when using it based on recording videos or taking pictures with these apps. But they are far better than the iPhone's native camera app, and after using them with the lens, the results were great. Plus, you have way more features with these third-party apps than you would on the iPhone camera app. I certainly was amazed with how nice the photos and videos turned out, so if you're someone who's really into photography or filmmaking and is seriously interested in using your iPhone's camera to its full potential with what it has to offer, without spending a ton of money on a nice SLR camera, or you want something more portable, then this combo will certainly be a great option. Or maybe you're like me who's looking for a little more pep out of their camera for certain distant shots. In the end, I really like what SANDMARC has to offer with this case and telephoto lens. However, it would have been nice if it worked better with the native iPhone camera app without needing to spend more on third-party apps, especially for those that are interested in it but might not be looking for a ton of features out of a camera or video app. And I also noticed that at the top right corner of the case, the lip would move out of place when the lens was screwed in at times, but that's not a huge concern. For the most part, I didn't see any big issues when reviewing them. Maybe I did get a little annoyed with screwing the lens on at times, but that's just me. And for the most part, I think these are great accessories from SANDMARC. And if you're really into taking awesome pictures and videos with your iPhone's camera, this combo will certainly elevate and boost your overall camera experience on it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. And as always, I hope to see you back here for the next one.